Imagine opening your YouTube studio and seeing something like this. Your channel is no longer monetized. No warning, no second chance, just gone. And the scary part, a lot of AI channels are getting demonetized now. There is a YouTuber on this space that owns a folktale story channel named African Folktale Nation. She has up to 15,500 and something subscribers with only 18 videos, and she has over 1 million views. The sad part of this story is that she got demonetized due to inauthentic content. And the worst part of this is that when YouTube tells you inauthentic content, they would not pinpoint the one that is inauthentic to them. They will not tell you the one that does not really align with them. They'll just tell you inauthentic content, and then you are the one to start looking for where you have gone wrong, which is the sad part of this. So she made a video where she told her audience, she showed her face. You know, all these AI stories, when they are making it, they don't show their faces, they just do their thing. But because of this demonetization, she had to come and face the camera. Let's hear some of the things that she had to say.
Unfortunately, with the growth of the channel, also sadly came, well, let me not say it as if the growth caused the demonetization, but this channel was demonetized. Basically, they demonetized the African Folktale Nation channel because of inauthentic content.
You already know my channel was demonetized for inauthentic content, and I tried it. I thought it was something I could appeal for. I reached out to YouTube. I sent in my appeals, sent in how I create my stories, but still I get demonetized because of inauthentic contents.
A lot of people thought that AI story channels were the easiest way to make loads of money here on YouTube. Just use ChatGPT for the stories, AI for the voices, you upload consistently, and boom, you cash out. Not anymore, because YouTube is demonetizing most of these channels. So, if you are using AI for your videos, or you are planning to start an AI channel, watch this video carefully, because one small mistake can destroy your monetization. If this is a video that you would like to watch, do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and let me go on to tell you what you have to avoid and what you have to do so that you don't get demonetized. The first reason why YouTube demonetizes some channels is mass-produced content. You know that some people find AI, they have found apps that can help them to produce multiple contents in a day. So in their mind, they'll be like, oh, let me post this multiple contents that I'm making every day out here on YouTube. That is where you'll find people making up to 10, 5, 3 videos in just one day, and they are uploading everything straight up. So YouTube would like to know the kind of energy this content creator has. They would like to look at the kind of content that these channels make. Posting multiple videos in a day is not a problem, depending on the kind of niche that you are in. Imagine posting news videos. You are the one talking about the news, you're the one giving the information. You know, when YouTube wants to come to your channel to check about it, they will not term it inauthentic content, because it is you that they are seeing, and they are seeing that you are the one putting in the effort. So they would not demonetize your channel. But imagine that somebody is using AI and posting multiple videos. When they come to vet your channel, they will see that this thing might be as a result of the person using all these quick apps, these quick AI apps. Even though you are the one that puts effort in making the video, YouTube wouldn't care about that. So if you are making AI content, please and please avoid posting multiple videos in a day. The second reason is that most of the AI stories feels generic. Let's be honest, a lot of AI folktale stories sounds the same. Personally, I've observed something like that. I saw a folktale story where she was saying that the hairdresser wouldn't allow people to look at their faces in the mirror while she's making their hair. I saw that particular storyline in another channel. Even though it's not the same character, it is not the same thing, but the storyline was basically the same. So you see, everything is just looking the same. That when YouTube will see this video, the title is looking like this one, and when they enter, the story is looking like this one. It's looking like they're copying themselves. I know that all these things are AI generated videos, so YouTube will take it serious. Unlike we that show our faces, showing your face has an advantage than faceless channels, because faceless, they don't know who is behind it, so they might think it's computerized, it's AI, it's anything. Please just know how to make yours unique. Another reason why YouTube is demonetizing some channels is because of reused AI voices. YouTuber A is using the same voice, YouTuber B is using the same voice, YouTuber C same voice. What is going on? Why? The reason why these same voices are rampant is because that is the free voices these apps or these sites give. Before you get to choose amongst the multiple voices, you have to pay. And some people don't really have the funds to pay for that. That is why they would go for the free one. So if YouTuber ABC are going for the free ones, you see that a particular voice might be in many channels. That one is also a red flag. Unless you use your voice, because no other person's voice is like yours. They might sound alike, but they are not exactly the same. So use your voice to do voiceovers. If you cannot afford the paid voices, use your voice. The next reason why all these AI channels are getting demonetized is reused AI visuals. The same village scene, the same animation style, the same character repeating itself in different videos. Yes, 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 I agree. Making AI videos, they are just stressful. I've tried it and I said, no, 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 no. I'm not going for that. That is not my calling. I am not doing that. Making these videos are stressful. So you know that generating characters is going to be more stressful. Then you would like to use your previous characters. And when they appear in different videos, it looks like repetition. So don't be flagged down for reused content. Try to create or generate characters afresh. Another reason is people spamming the niche. Everybody wants to start making AI videos, AI stories, and this is making YouTube to become stricter. They want to now know, why are people rushing to this niche? Why are people creating videos on this every single time? So you see, they are not becoming more concerned about it, because some creators are uploading fake stories, clickbait stories, misleading content, and the rest of that. So even the genuine ones amongst these AI creators, they are now suffering. So rushing to start an AI channel is not really it. Know what you have to do and what you have to avoid, so that you don't get demonetized. If you want to succeed in this AI niche, try to create better stories. Add emotions to it. Emotion using your voice, your own voice. Use better editing. Build a unique brand and not copying people around. Copying titles, copying the video plots, copying everything about other people's video. Make yours unique. So AI should help your creativity and not replace it. YouTube wants creators, people that are creative enough to do things, and not just people relying on AI to do everything for them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video inspired you. See you in my next one. Bye bye.